So, hello, this is me Damsa, your host, your friend, and today we are gonna do a detailed review on this GoPro over here, the action camera as you know it. We unboxed this in the previous video. You can go and check out this, and if you want to buy this, you have the links below. And today we'll just go through the camera settings, and I will tell you how to use this thing and all the things you need to know. So, without wasting any time, come on, guys, let's explore. So guys, I'm again back, and in this video we'll just learn about GoPro, everything we need to know. So this is the GoPro that will come in your hand, and it will be locked inside, isolated in this box. And how to take this out, how to do everything, we need to figure out. And at first many of us would get confused, but here I am to solve the problem. So at first this would be in this case. Sorry for the sound again, I'm in a busy area. And this will come in this case, which is a waterproof one. And yes, so what you will do is you have this over here, this slider. You slide this, open this, and you get access to this, and then you will take this thing out, and it will be coming out like this. So this is a very delicate piece of technology, I have to say. And that's why it comes with these covers to protect it, because it's gonna go to different rides, this and that. So let me turn it on. So this is the power on button over here, which will also function as the mode button. This is the lens. You don't want to scratch this, or else you would end up making your videos the worst. And the plastic over there, you should not remove it. If there are some bubbles, I would advise to remove. Else you don't need to remove this thing, because this will be protecting your lens for quite long. Or you can put an extra cover over there, and then you turn it on. So you hold this button, you see this light, you leave it, and then you will have it. So let me focus on the screen now. So okay, you have this over here, and I told already that there is a mode button over here, this one. And then you have these slider buttons over here. If I can focus, yes, so these are the slider buttons over here. And this is the charging port, and then the HDMI. And this one would be for your TF card, or also known as the micro USB, micro SD card. So this will all go in. This is one unit, and you have a battery over here. Let me turn it off. So this is off now, so let it turn it off, let it turn off. So this is the place where battery goes. You just pull it out, and this is where you will find your battery. So this is also very important to know. And all you do is take it out. So this is your battery over here, the 900 mAh battery. So 3.7 volt lead iron, 900 mAh, 3.33 watt per hour. So let me insert it again, because without this this things are not gonna work. So again I put it inside and then lock it. I'm sorry for that. So I lock it, and yes, we are ready to roll, and then we will go on to do the review. So meet you in just few moments. So guys, hello, and we are back with this camera. So I have already talked about what this thing has. So it is in the 4K video mode, and to start recording video you just press this button. And now to navigate the menu, you press the mode button twice, and then you have this video resolution thing. And if you press OK, you can just select the video modes which you want. So let me focus on the screen. So it has 4K 30 frames per second, 2.7K at 34 frames per second, and then 1080 full HD, then 1080 pixels 30 frames per second, and then we have 720 pixels at 30 frames per second, then VGA, and then 480 pixels per second, and that's it. So let us set it at 4K 30 frames per second. Then cycle recording, motion detection. It will detect if you are going there or there. This will give you more pixels, at least, to like better video quality. And then you have the photo resolution. So this has the 16 megapixel, which is its original resolution. Then comes the 12 megapixel, 10 and 8, and we must have more, 5, 3, 2, 1. So you can go to the top quality to the worst quality. and then you have self timer, so that if you want to take photo from a distance, you can time it up and then go and take photo, a group photo. And then we have continuous shooting, white balance, exposure, auto power off, then beep sounds, date stamp, meaning when the photo was taken, the video was taken, date and time setup, then language, then frequency, and then we can see the LCD brightness, then we can see the screen rotation, we can delete all, lock one, and then there are a lot of things to. So you have the default setting which the factory gives you. I am sorry for the audio quality, and I already told you that I am in a busy area right now, so this happens quite a lot over here. So this was all about the video settings, and that's it about the settings. Now coming to the different modes it has. So if you press the mode button for a long, this is the photo mode, and then so I'm sorry for that. So this is the photo mode, and when you press it again, you come to the menu. So this is the GoPro video mode with the mic on, and then once you press it, you are in the photo mode, so you can click some photos at 16 megapixels, so that's quite a lot. And you can use this button over here to click some photos. So let me focus on the screen. Yes, I'm using a phone, so that might be a problem for quite long, so don't worry. And you can press this one. So it is asking me to insert SD card. So once you insert the SD card, you just need to do one thing. You need to press this for anything, to record videos, to click some photos, to do anything. And I quite like this GoPro. And now let's move on to different things, accessories that come with this GoPro, and let's begin. So let me turn it off. Why to use power unless I need it. So in the original mode, and now turn it off. So that's it. So now we will be seeing how things work with the GoPro setup. So let's begin in a mode. So these are the accessories that you will get with your GoPro over here, and let me keep this one over here. And these are all the clamps you will use in different setups, in different fields, and you can combine them all to get the best possible stability on your motorbike, on your everything, I would say, because these are set up for different scenarios. So you have so many of these holders that you can use it anywhere, literally anywhere. So guys, now we'll see how to set up things for a GoPro. So I have all these things over here lying in front of me. I will not go through all this, I will just go through few. So I have this place empty. This is for the the clamps, or you would say the holders. So I have one in my hand. We just put it inside, and after having a good place to have this grip, you just do is you put the screw, and then align with this thing with the hose, and then you put the screw inside and tighten things up. So this is how it works, and you see. So that's how you will set up a GoPro. So you have this now, and you can insert this into a bag or something, and then you can enjoy your time. So look at this setup. So I can keep it in front of me and then talk. You can use it as you wish, and that's not a problem. And you have this now. What is this? So you have your GoPro, keep it here, and then what you will do is so let me take out and just show this practically. We will not go on trying everything over here. So you have this over here. This is the holder for your GoPro. You will put your GoPro over here, and then what you will do is you will have this for your stand. So if you have a tripod, you go on and mount your GoPro there. So it won't fit here, but the GoPro will. So what you do is take your GoPro out, handle with care, because yes, GoPros are a very important part of a vlogger's or a videographer's life. So let me take out this thing. So you have the GoPro out, and what you will do is put it inside like this, and then we will go on putting it like this. So the GoPro is in place, so you can mount it onto a stand or a tripod or anything, and that way you will get the mobility you want. So let me take it out again. So okay, we have this out. So to mount it to some surface you need this, and for this you have this case to protect your GoPro because you are gonna take it out to wilderness and you might risk your GoPro. So you put it inside, you clamp it with this one, and voila, you have this. And yes, it is very protective case, so you know how to use these things. And these are all the accessories you will get with this one. And let me tell you, you have the links below, you can just order it from Virat Deal. Thanks for sponsoring the video. And we have more of these, so you can like literally put your GoPro over here and then mount it. And there are more mounts like these ones over here, like this one over here. And yes, there are a lot, literally a lot. So let me mount this one in place of that. So if it fits, it has to fit because it has been designed for a GoPro. So see how many attachments you can get with one GoPro. That's just insane. But yes, it is important because you are gonna use your GoPro. So let me take this one out, and I had to put this one in. So this is in. Let me do it like this, and this is in. So let me focus over here. So this is inside, and you just align with the hole and put your screw in, and then you have it. So you have this one now, and you can be like, I can do anything with this. Ha ha ha. So we have this one over here, and then you can mount it with this one or anyone. So yes, so this is the new setup you will get, and you can mount it with this one. There are many. So this one can go out on here. So let me try all. I will not try all, guys. So this is it. This is the last one I was gonna try. So this one over here is that's it. So I will go on with this one because it helps me like keep it on the table and show it to you guys. So let me mount this on with this. And now I'm sorry for this shaky camera moment. So let me keep it over here like this. Okay, the GoPro stand. I'm using it as a stand. It has a stand, but it's not. You know that. You know the facts. And this one goes inside here. It is very important. And I think the video is too long for this GoPro setup, this and that. But no one does it. I have seen on YouTube. No one does it. People are like, this is GoPro. You use it. So this is the cable, data cable. You charge your device with this one. You directly plug in and then it will start charging. I have already shown you the ports, so you can just insert in. These are the straps over here that you can mount with your GoPro. Oh yeah. So a lot of straps inside, and these will go on to different, like, you know, where, how, when. And then we have these straps so that you can be like, okay, you can use your GoPro very easily, so you can start shooting videos the best one possible. And I have no complaints with accessories or the device, because for the price you are paying, you are getting more than you wish, because of 4K frames per second, this and that, for a price of $40 is something that you might want to have. So you understand what I am talking about. Just go below, check out the things, and yes, have a great time. And this was all about GoPro, and thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned for more videos, because more tech is gonna come your way from this channel, because I have great sponsors, I have great things. And this is me, Damsa, signing off. Have a good day, have a good life, have good everything. So thank you guys for watching this video through and being with me for such a long time. I know this video was too long, but it covered all the essentials about using a GoPro or action camera, as you know it. And this is me, Damsa, signing off. Thanks to Virat Deal for sponsoring this video. And please do subscribe to the channel, because a lot of tech is gonna come your way. And that's it. Have a good day, have a good life, have good everything. Stay tuned to the channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, everywhere, and thank you.